Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you these two pieces, come in two pieces actually, 3 feet Christmas trees that they're heavy, they're cemented. I'm going to show it to you in a close up in a few seconds, and also turn off the light so you can see this LED lights a little bit better. It comes with 20 pine cones and also 50 warm, kind of like I want to say like cozy yellow LED lights over here. They're super easy. There's no assemble. They're super easy to unpack from the box. It's gonna kind of like come. Each one of them is gonna come like super compressed. So you just like I'll kind of like open them up and that's it. And then you're gonna see that these are 3 feet tall and they come with this heavy base. It is a heavy base. It's kind of like a cemented heavy base, I wanna say. So you can actually put them outside or inside if you want. I think they're more meant to be for inside just because this one comes with they're battery operated. So it comes with a case that you put 3 batteries in and you can just like turn them on and off whatever you want with just like pushing a button. So it's not that it's gonna be kind of like with a cable and a timer or something like that. They have a timer actually, but they don't have kind of like a power cable so you can use a timer on a power cable. So let me actually turn off the light so you can see them a little bit better. So what do you think about this? I told you they're super cozy. They're really nice for like a house indoor decorations. You know, I was just like picturing this and probably I'm gonna put them there. You know, the fireplace, I think it's a really nice one to put kind of like on a fireplace. Or you can actually use it for like an office environment. You can take it to the office like a gift. You can actually give this to someone as a gift as well. But let me actually take you in a super close-up. Whether you can see the base, as I was telling you before, it comes with that really nice wrap. I think it's kind of like a vintage one that looks more like a Christmas tree, you know, than a natural Christmas trees. And then you can take a closer look to the pine cone over there. It comes with 20 of them total, and you can see this really nice and warm yellow light over here. So that's gonna be kind of like the cozy one. But again, these are really nice and cozy. They're 3 feet tall, so they're not gonna be super tall, but I think that's actually intended. That's the intention of this. The 20 pine cones, the 50 LED lights, and they're just like out of the box. They're almost ready. I like them. Really nice Christmas decoration. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.